this is Caesar with Small Engine Velocity coming at you with another moto vlog on the CBR 650R 2020 with the recently installed eBay exhaust. Today I am doing a test ride on here with the silencer installed. I did ride it all the way down to Galveston without the silencer and it was incredibly loud. And now it's actually relatively tame. Yeah, it's pretty tame now. It's not nearly as loud as it was. It's still louder than it was before, but it's not nearly as loud as it was before. Now, is that good? Sure, yeah. If I'm going on a long road trip, probably don't want to hear that blah, 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 blah. Well, this bike doesn't go blah, blah, blah. It goes like sound instead. So, yeah. Anyways, I am just doing a quick road trip right now to see if I enjoy it with the silencer or without the silencer. So far, my vote is no silencer, but it is a lot quieter. Maybe when I ride with my wife on here, maybe she'll enjoy the softer sounds. The softer sounds. Like delicate women or whatever is what I'm thinking of right now. Oh man, I'm excited that I even got this thing installed on here. Hopefully you've seen the video already.
One connected.
Okay, thank you. Hopefully you have seen the video. It should be, I'll put it up here, about eBay exhaust on a sport bike. It was an install video. It was more of a, hey, this is what it took, what you get, what you have to look forward to, and basically, who is this kit built for? You know, is it a bolt-on or is it more than a bolt-on? And for sure, it is more than a bolt-on. It's more than just bolts, for sure. Anyways, I'm liking it. If I'm going on a road trip, I want it to sound like this. Anyways, I hope everyone's doing good. Let's check what the weather is. Hey Siri. Okay, let's try that again. Hey Siri.
Hey Siri.
What's the temperature outside? It's currently 64 degrees outside, which isn't that cold. I am wearing my armored vest instead of my regular jacket right now, but then my regular jacket has holes in it too, so I didn't wear my hoodie either, my armored hoodie, or a hoodie jacket, or whatever you want to call it. So yeah, anyways. So if you're wondering, there's a thing that Moto Mantooth loves. He posted it on the internet. Streets Don't Sleep 2022 in Houston. I think it's in the beginning of April. I think it's in the beginning of April. So more than likely I'll be going to that. It's a big bike thing. It always seems to be pretty cool. It's like a whole bunch of cars or bikes that, like, you know, meet up and then like literally take over the freeway. I'm not sure if I want to be in a situation like that yet. Maybe I'm not ready, but maybe I should give it a try. Thought it'd be kind of cool. Meet some new people. Last time I went and met some people and they had tattoos and I thought that I didn't fit in, and then I actually got to talk to them and they were all like really cool. So I'd like to erase that unconscious bias that I have about people with tattoos, even though I have tattoos, and sometimes I get I get a little bit of bias thrown my way because I have tattoos. But yeah, I thought I'd go to that. Maybe I could see some cool bikes. Last time I saw the video, they were all on the freeway, but they weren't going really fast. So I guess that'd be kind of cool, I guess. What do you think? I'd like to invite anybody who is in this area who has a computer, go to Facebook and look for Streets Don't Sleep 2022. If you look on the actual invite, it'll say that the flyer was created by Moto Mantooth. If you see that on there, then you know you're looking at the right one. Yeah, definitely the exhaust is tamer with the filter thingy on. Listen to that. yeah, it's definitely tamer. I guess I'm gonna have to take it off and piss off my neighbors. I don't know if anyone else knows, but loud exhausts saves lives. Another video posted up here somewhere. I really am a firm believer that, especially on a ruckus, it's so short, you can't be seen really easily, that, oh man, I pull through water. I got traction control and ABS, so I should be okay. I'm a really firm believer that, especially on the ruckus, that if you have a loud exhaust, that gives a little bit more heads up as to that you're going to be there soon, or that you are there, or that you're there. With a bike with a 19 to 20 inch seat height, it's really hard to see you. There you go. That was pretty cool. I liked it. Could have been better if I had my super exhaust on here. I mean, if I had the silencer removed. Oh yeah, I sent my Voss helmet video, which has very low views, but still I enjoyed making it. My Voss helmet view, I found out from the creator of the helmet, or the creators, that the V in the Moto V means Moto Vlog. Maybe I'll start calling my Moto Vlogs Moto Vs. What do you think? Sounds like a great idea. And the reason that the chin is extended on the helmet is to accommodate talking and microphones and other things like that. And look at all these manholes. They're everywhere. Let's go here, and then we'll go around this one this way, and then this way on this one. I've learned that on my big bike that it's fun to like slalom through the manholes, especially if they come in consecutive. Oh, see, I totally like, see, slalom through the manhole covers, and it makes it fun. And you also get to practice your dexterity on your motorcycle, right? Because that's always good. Oh no, a train. Well, alright, I guess we get to talk a little bit. So this summer, I am planning to ride the big bike, obviously, to Twisted Sister in Texas. Maybe I'll announce a day that I'm going, or whenever that might be, and then maybe some people can meet us there, and we could ride Twisted Sister together, or something like that. And we'll pick a gas station or something nearby, or I don't know, a ditch. Maybe not a ditch. Maybe more of a what do you call it? Like a parking lot or something like that. A ditch implies that we crash, and then we'll just all crash into the ditch, and then we'll all hang out together with our broken motorcycles on the ground. Look at these people. I never understood why people slow down on train tracks, like incredibly slow, in their trucks or their SUVs. You're like, come on, dude. Maybe if it was like a giant hill or something. Anyways. Alright, well, I guess the verdict has been made. I do not like the silencer on my exhaust. I like it without the silencer, and I need to make it louder because that's what I like. Although, now that it's loud enough, I can actually hear myself shifting. That was one of the things I was having trouble with, is I couldn't hear, and I guess I use sound to judge when I need to shift to the next gear. But anyways, here we go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Click that bell if you want to see more videos like this, and I will see you in the next videos. Yo.